Happy Cat Day! Whee! In my world, everyone is a pony, and they all eat rainbows and poop butterflies. This is a cult in my hometown. And coming straight from my ex's closet, Barbie Country Camper! Here's a picture of my friend in a sombrero and all of his ties and belts. And here's a picture of my dad as a baby. And also my friend wearing my skirt and suit. And I searched something on the internet and they couldn't find it, but they found me a puppy instead. This is one big ass bird. And this is one ugly ass bird. But on to some CAR things. Look, you're being kidnapped! And I'm happy about this. But if we just take a little ride over to the Fancy Gap, we can see some pretty fancy people. They're old. Yes, there is a town called Intercourse, Pennsylvania. It's where Mrs. Zumbrin was born. And here is Bird in Hand, Pennsylvania. This is a deer in my backyard. This is a deer in my neighbor's backyard. Same deer. He's looking around to see if the coast is clear. And then he's pooping. And then he walks away. Back to CAR. Dead people hole! Oh no! And you're scared and you have crazy eyes. And this is the difference between an octopus, a squid, and a jellyfish. And here's our room from South Central that one year. And you're, evil. And you're rolling away because you escaped being evil. And look, I found a pie cupcake. Tee-hee-hee. Math. Yay, CAR. Nehemiah. Very red. Hashtag that awkward moment when Greg and I are your parents. Powerpuff Girls saving the day. Yay, pretty picture. Being pretty with Sarah. Being really silly with Amanda. Tie in your dresses. Yay, back picture. 'Cause, mandatory. Charlie's Angels. Da-na-na. Look, it's a cow on a car. And your sister's boyfriend being homosexual. Teehee. Love you. Seriously, Kat, I love you so much. I know today's a weird day, but I hope this video made you feel better. Especially the cow on the car, because I about peed myself when I saw that the first time. So, I love you. I wish you were here at February planning. I wish I could see you before nationals. But, poor and college. So, yeah. But love you. Hope you're having a good day and a good week and a good month and a good life. Blah. I don't really know what that was, but yay! Okay. Love you, Kat. Mwah.